Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you ever wanted the soft wispy lash extension look without spending a lot of money every 2 weeks, this video is for you. Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to apply cluster lash extensions at home, even if this is the first time you're trying. I'm also going to be showing you some of the biggest mistakes people make to ruin their lashes. Plus, I'm going to be throwing in a few tips to make your lash extension last even longer and look more natural. So make sure to watch this video up until the end because one small mistake can literally mess up the whole set. A few housekeeping rules: go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and like this video if you found it helpful in any way. Quickly, here's everything you're going to need. Obviously, some lash clusters, and these are two different types. I'm going to be using this particular fluffy, natural looking ones. I've been using these very often, so that's how come they are almost done in the pack. I'm going to leave these and any other products that I'm going to mention in my description box down below, so in case you're interested, feel free to check out my description box. Next, you're going to be needing lash glue, and this one is from Blossom Makeup. This is going to be the MVP of this entire lash tutorial. You're also going to need some bond and seal, optional but very important. Tweezers is next. I have two different types. Any of these should do the trick. You're going to need some micellar water or makeup remover and cotton pads to make sure that your lashes and your lash line is absolutely clean. You're going to also need a brow spoolie to comb out your lashes once you're done. I'm going to be doing the tutorial mainly on the right eye to show you guys, and then I'm going to move to my left. So here is the exact lash mapping that I'm going to be using. Feel free to screenshot this part and use it for later. I'm going to be starting off with a 14-inch and then we're going to work our way up. Make sure you're applying a generous amount of lash glue. Now, the reason why I decided to use the Blossom Lash Glue is because of its longevity. Using this lash glue alone gives you at least 1 week's wear of your lash extensions. So with proper maintenance, you can easily push this to at least 2 straight weeks of having your lash clusters in place. Now, this is where most people mess up. Don't place your lash clusters on top. You want to be placing them underneath your natural lashes. That's what gives that soft extensions look. We're going to be starting from the outer corner and working our way in to also give that wispy cat eye effect. And don't try to rush this part. This is literally what determines how natural your lashes are going to look. Another common mistake is not spacing them out properly and ending up with bulky looking lashes. If your lashes ever looked off, this was probably the reason. So like I said previous, there's no reason to rush. Take your time with this process and make sure that you are sticking them down or laying them right underneath your lashes as seamlessly as possible. Here are 3 tips to get your lashes to last even longer. The first one is to try and avoid water during the first 24 hours of application. The second tip is to not use oil-based products like oil cleansers. And lastly, seal your lashes at the end. This is how to get your lashes to last for days instead of just hours. Now we're going to be going in with our lash sealant, going in right at the base of the lashes, mostly where you have the lash band, lash glue, and your natural lashes connecting. Try to be as precise with this as possible so you don't have lash sealant all over the lashes. Lastly, we're going to comb through the lashes using our brow spoolie to make sure that we are separating the lashes to give the more natural wispy lash effect. Once you're done with this step, you're pretty much done. I'm going to move on to the other eye and then quickly speed this through. And yeah, you can watch this again in Now, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video because I'm gonna be posting real beauty hacks that actually work. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. But until then, stay safe and stay blessed.